Hey everyone, it's me, Megz, and I am back with a personality unit, aka wig, and it's a really cute bob, which I think would be perfect for summertime, and it is a wear and go glueless wig from ISEEHAIR, and this is my first time actually trying ISEEHAIR. I've been seeing it all over TikTok, all over YouTube, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful with some really cute accessories like this princess bonnet, and the quality of this bonnet feels really good, and I'm like, I'm gonna have to keep this and wear this for a long period of time because the quality is there, okay? So I really love that, and I love that it came with two wig cap types, an HD wig cap and like kind of like a regular one. And also came with this lash book of lashes, 6 pairs of lashes, and I'm not mad at this at all. Super cute to kind of like dress up the final look when it comes to your unit. And also this unit is different because it did come with replacement accessories. This wig is different. It came with an extra wig band with adjustable straps, and with this unit, you can remove the combs. And I also do have a pamphlet here and another adjustable band that it came with. So let's get into this unit. This is a 14-inch bob, and it is human hair. And all the information about this unit will be down in the description below for you to check out. So I did wash and condition this unit. And I will say when I got this unit, it didn't have any strong chemical smells to the hair. The hair is really soft. I didn't have any shedding when it came to washing and conditioning the hair. So that's how I know this is a good quality unit as far as the hair goes, how it washes and how it conditions and how it air dries. It kind of mimics, to me, in my opinion, kind of like a body wave texture. And I'm kind of basing that off of how the hair air dried. So this cap construction is a little bit different, which I do love a lot. It is a 9x6 HD lace, and it is a 3D cap construction. So the knots were pre-bleached and the lace is pre-cut for me, which I really appreciate because this makes it a real wear and go wig, which makes it also really good for beginners or just people like me who just don't have a lot of time to fuss with wigs. And I noticed with the pre-plucked hairline near the temple area, it looks very, very natural because on my natural hairline, my temples kind of go in just a little bit. So I really like how this was pre-plucked, giving it a really nice natural look. And the knots are really nice and small. So I'm like, yes, wear and go. This is really giving beginner friendly and wear and go. And with this unit, which is different from all the other units that I've tried, you can remove the combs, and I really like that because I typically remove my combs because I don't like to wear combs when it comes to my units because the pulling and manipulation against my scalp and hair, I just like to take them out in general depending on what I need at the time. And I really like that I can take them off and put them back depending on if I want a little more security or a little less security. But I like taking my combs out because it just makes it a lot more comfortable because I like to use the adjustable strap to keep my wig in place. And I will say this was very impressive because when I put the loop in, it really stayed put. I don't feel like this is going to slide out at any time because I've had some wigs where you can remove the adjustable strap and sometimes you put on and it comes off. So I didn't have that with this unit from my experience. So I am going to apply a little bit of my foundation onto the closure just so it can kind of mesh just a little bit more with my skin tone, even though this is HD lace and it's very, very thin. Okay, that's what I really like. So I'm excited. So I'm just going to wear my hair like this. I am 1 week post relaxer, so I have a loose bun. And I'm going to use the nylon wig cap that's a little bit on the thicker side just to protect my hair underneath the unit. And I like to pull the wig cap back just a little bit to make sure there isn't any thick bands towards the front where it can kind of show through the lace. So I'm also going to put a little bit of foundation onto the wig cap just to make sure everything blends in, you know, effortlessly. So I'm going to put this bad boy on, and boy, let me tell you, it is snug on here. This adjustable strap did everything I needed it to do, which I'm really happy about because I intend to go 100% glueless with this. And I noticed with this cap construction with the lace kind of like comes a bit forward, making it hug against my skin and hairline really nice so I don't have to use glue. So that's the whole point of this. I don't want to use glue. So I'm going to put a little more foundation just on that hairline right there just to make sure everything blends. But I could imagine, say, if you did decide to glue this down, it would be an effortless slay because it fits so nicely around my ears too. The cap construction of this unit has a space to where your ears can fit comfortably, because that's always been a ick of mine when it comes to wigs, having to cut around the ears. And you don't have to do that with this one. And it fits so comfortably. And say if the wind blows, I'm not going to be clocked like, ooh, your lace, girl. But you can see how it just really sits really nice and close to my forehead, allowing me to really go glueless. And it's super, super secure. Okay, I really, really like that. And I love that it's so secure and I don't need any glue, because I am on a recovery hair journey. And anytime that I can go glueless, I absolutely will, because I just feel like it's a bit more healthy. And so with being that this closure is a 9x6, there's tons of parting space you can do. I think I'm going to do more of a center part when it comes to this bob, but for future wear, I'm definitely going to play around more with the parting. And it's just really, really natural looking too. So this is a 14-inch bob. I'm 4'11", so I feel like this bob would be perfect for summertime. And I love how this bob isn't blunt cut at the ends, because I intend to curl this unit just to have and do something a little different with the style. I'm going to use some Sebastian Shaper Plus, which is a light hold hairspray. And being that this texture of this hair is more of a silky straight texture, I don't want a hairspray that's a bit too heavy. So I sprayed the hairline because I really want to show and hot comb that hairline to make it even more neat, give it an even more kind of clean, flawless look. And I am loving how this is looking with the knots being so small and that the knots are already bleached, making it perfect for me, because I just don't want to do all of the things. You know, this is giving very much so a no fuss wig. You put it on and go. So I am very satisfied with how this is pre-plucked. It's very neat. The knots are kind of like invisible looking. I do enjoy that because it's laying nice and flat. Now, I did notice with this unit, my lace kind of curled a little bit in some areas. So I am going to apply a melting band without using any glue or sprays, just to make sure that I kind of get that little piece to lay a little more flat, because I do not want to use glue with this unit. So let's go ahead and get into really styling this unit. I wanted to see how it would look with a center part, just something cute. And I really, really feel like this would be super cute for work too. This is a perfect work wig and summer wig because it's not a lot of hair. I did notice that this unit was really lightweight. It didn't feel heavy or have any uncomfortable feeling with this unit, being that I did take the combs out. So it's laying really nice and flat. So for this style, I am going to use an extra large barrel. This is my favorite Paul Mitchell curling iron. I wanted kind of like an effortless, more beachy kind of wave look. I didn't want it to look super done. And I'm curling the hair like this because I wanted the ends to be more of a straight kind of look to give that beachy, effortless, easy peasy, I woke up like this kind of look. So this was actually my first time curling my hair with this kind of technique. I'm going to get better, and I think next time I want to try it with a smaller barrel, but I love the extra large barrel, and this hair is curling pretty nicely. You can leave this straight, but I wanted to have a little bit of fun with this unit, and I am loving how the curls are coming out so far. Just very like, oh, tousled hair look. So with the front area, I'm just kind of parting the hair. And as you can see, the closure area, when you part it, it gives very much so scalp. And I love it so much. So with the front pieces here, I'm kind of curling away from my face and making sure that I keep the ends on the straighter side. So far, so good. Okay, I really, really love this so much. So boom, we are done. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Sebastian Shaper Plus just to help me hold the curls in place. So I really love the PC look to this. It's giving what I wanted it to give. And for the parting area, I am going to use my MAC NC45 Studio. I think, is this Studio Finish Concealer? And I love this concealer because it mimics the color of my natural scalp. And I tend to put quite a bit of this just to make sure it stands out. And I'm going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and really close that part a bit in, just to make sure everything is nice and concealed and my parting is straight. And I'm just going to do the final touches to the hairline. It just really, really looks super natural. And I was on Instagram Live, and y'all, ate this wig up. You guys loved it, wanted all the information about it, so here it is. And this is the look that I was totally going for. I love the straight ends. I love how effortless it looks styled like this. It's so lightweight. It's so comfortable. I love this wear and go pre-cut lace wig by ISEEHAIR. It's just gorgeous. And the fact that I can go completely glueless is even better, especially with me being on my healthy hair journey. I don't want to use tons of glue and things because I also like to take my units off at night and tend to my hair underneath. So this is a win. I'm really feeling this wig by ISEEHAIR. And if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me. All information about this unit is down in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.